Hi students, welcome. So now we are discussing about in development of surface topic a hexagonal pyramid of base side 30 mm and height 70 mm rest on its base on the ground. Clear? So first we know that the hexagon is resting on HP means in top view the hexagonal surface is visible when one of its base edge is parallel to VP in problem they given. Therefore you draw the parallel lines. Okay, along with XY, then you construct the hexagon. Now it is a pyramid, therefore you draw the diagonals because that diagonals it indicates is a slant edge in top view. Clear? After that, so now top view is over. So now we draw the projection lines from top view points ends. Clear? So in front view it appears triangle. So extreme left slant edge, right slant edge, and nearer to the observer in front the two slant edges are visible and rear two slant edges are invisible, but it is hidden line and it's coincide with front visible edges. So now therefore in top view hexagon along with slant edges and in front view triangular shape along with all the slant edge. Then you draw the development portion. So you draw the extreme generator, that is called true slant edge. So that is a parallel lines. Then we know that the corners, letters, alphabets, numbers, etc. as our wish. Then you take the true slant length as a radius, you draw one arc. On that arc our polygon size they given 30 mm side, therefore take 30 mm as the radius. You draw an arc from the initial point. It is a hexagon, therefore 6 arcs from each and every one. All are 30 mm distance. Clear? You assign that letters. So A, B, C, D, F, apex O, and in front view all are with dashes, A dash, B dash, C dash, like that. So therefore extreme slant edges, let's consider OA, OB, OC, OC, OD, OE, OF, like that. So you join all the slant edges along with the apex O in development portions. In development also you assign that letters, what letters we are considering in top view. In orthographic case same here, but it is in caps, capital letter A, B, C, D. So the initial letter and final letter both are same. Clear? So now it is a pyramid, so therefore the bases are straight edges, therefore you join straight edges between A, B, C, C, G, like that. Then we go for, so before cut the green shaded in this diagram and blue shade, it's nothing but before cut, it is the development of the hexagonal pyramid portion. Now let's we go for sectional. The solid is cut by a sectional plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 55 degree to HP, and it meets the axis 30 mm from the base. So therefore we know the total height of the pyramid is 70. So you consider 30 mm from the base, you select one point on the axis. Through that axis you draw the cutting lines 55 degree inclined HP and it's perpendicular to VP. In problem they clearly they mention. So consider that dimensions line cuts. So now the cutting plane cuts all the slant edges. So assign the numbers 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, etc. based on the base number of cutting points, cutting edges. So now the extreme left generate slant edges are OA, therefore only one cutting edge. Next OB and OF, so we get two cutting edges. Clear? Similarly in third slant edge, that also OC and OE, that also two cutting edges, and extreme right OD slant edges, so one cutting edge. So from the all the cutting points 1 dash to 8 6 dash, you draw the projection lines up to the development portions. Then you take concerned radius and draw the concentric arcs O as the center. Then to plot the points number 1, 2, 3, 4 and the corresponding OA, OB, OC like that, and write the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you join all the cutting points in the development portions 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 like that. You join all the portions by a straight line because it is a pyramid, so therefore straight edge lines join it. We know that in orthographic front view the O2 1 dash, O2 2 dash, 6 dash, O2 3 dash, 5 dash and O2 4 dash portions are removed. Clear, the white shaded. Similarly, in development portions also the base portions are retained elements, so it is thick, and above portions are removed. So finally we get the green portions are our required development of the lateral surfaces. Thank you, students.